Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, you want to pull down your notifications and extend the list of toggles. Somewhere on one of the pages you should see a hotspot toggle. For me it's right over here, personal hotspot. Now once you find your toggle, you want to hold it first time around. This will quickly take us to the settings where you can customize our hotspot. Now in here you'll find password, which is randomly generated. You do need to navigate in here just so you actually can figure out what the password is by default. But what I actually recommend doing instead of trying to figure out this one is just selecting it and removing it and substituting it with your own password. Now the password that you will set up needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers. And below that we have AP band, which you can change if you know what it is. If you don't really know any other settings like what they do, I would most certainly recommend keeping them as they are set by default. That will ensure that your hotspot works with every device whenever you need it. Now once you have changed the settings, make sure you click on the checkbox right here, otherwise the settings will not be changed. And then all you need to do is find the toggle once more, tap on it, and now our hotspot is enabled and we can connect to it. Now one more thing to note is when hotspot is enabled, it will consume more of your battery life on your device. So once you're done using it, I would recommend just finding it once more and tapping on it to turn it off. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.